Today I will show you how to make creative typography effect in Photoshop. First of all, insert your background image. Then go to Filter, Blur Gallery and then press Iris Blur. Follow these settings and then hit OK. Make a new solid layer of black color. Change its opacity from 100 to 72. Then click on Text tool and write T. Choose your font and then press Ctrl or Command T to transform the text. Then right-click on text layer and go to Blending Options. In Blending Options, choose Stroke, Inner Shadow and Drop Shadow options and keep these settings. After do these settings, hit OK. Insert your image which you want to clip in text. Keep image layer on top of the text layer, and then right-click on image layer and go to Create Clipping Mask option. Then go to Filter, Blur Gallery and then press Iris Blur. Follow these settings and then hit OK. And we have done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for watching more videos and tutorials.